Did you hit her?
No,
Did you pinch her?
no.
Considering you were in school?
I'm not that petty also. What do you think of me? Mirror के सामने जाते हैं जैसे oh my god, my pores look huge.
We love drama. Why not?
Yeah, we love that. थोड़ा तो बनता है. Hi guys, and welcome to the first episode of Girls Like to Chill, cause why not? And today I'm here with my girl Isha. Welcome to the first
Thank you
episode,
so much,
Isha. And
wait.
okay.
Before you say anything, I've got something for you.
Aren't girls the sweetest? Like,
Of course.
look at this. Like, I can always expect gifts from my girls. Guys, I don't know.
And
But
for you always.
thank you. So, let me get back to your introduction
Yeah,
now.
please.
Okay, I have to tell the audience that Isha is my low maintenance friend. We met at work because we spend most of our lives here. And Isha does not respond to my texts. But she's always there when I need her to be, which is how most female friendships are, right? We're all so busy with our lives and all that, but ये कभी भी मेरे text का reply नहीं करती है, phone
I
उठा
can't
ले.
see you. I mean, don't you think meeting in person is more better than virtual meeting?
Yes, I agree with you, but कभी-कभी phone भी उठा लेना चाहिए, right? So that is one thing, but I do appreciate you because you're always there when I need you to be, and that's very sweet. And actually, that reminds me of female friendships and how important they are in our lives.
Absolutely.
So,
Okay, listen, you've spoken a lot. Just because we're going to get into a very serious conversation, why don't we spice it up a bit?
okay, let's do it. Shall I go
So
first?
you have to pick up a chit.
Okay.
Whatever is in that chit, you have to answer. Then I pick up, and then you pick up. So that's how we play it, right?
Okay.
Cool.
We could have
Let's
just
start.
stopped, but I'm game for this.
Cool.
Okay. Ever had a fallout with a girlfriend over something super petty? Of course.
Which
Who
is?
hasn't?
And who is it?
You want to know everything? Okay, so I'll tell you. This one's from school, and I am super petty when it comes to my stationery,
Okay.
and I do not like sharing my stationery with anybody.
I think that applies now also, not only school. Don't
That's
you think so?
true. You've seen my diaries, right?
Of
Like
course.
exactly. So this girl, who actually she's not a very close friend, but a okay-ish friend, right, of mine. She just took my diaries and my pens, and like I had these really fancy
You were
pens.
kids, Meher. It's okay.
Yeah, but like I'm very touchy about some things. Like my makeup and my stationery is one. And she just took it, and I kept searching it for all week, and then she told me a week later. Tab se I don't talk to her.
Did you hit her?
No,
Did you pinch her?
no,
Considering you were in school?
no, I didn't do any of those. But
You should have. Don't you think so?
no, I'm not that petty. Also, what do you think of me?
Okay.
No, but I did not talk to her, and when she asked me for help, I didn't help her out for exams. So I was pretty petty.
Okay.
I should have forgotten about it, but clearly I hold grudges.
Drama. We love drama. Why not?
Yeah, we love drama. थोड़ा तो बनता है. It's
Yes,
okay.
Yes, yes. My turn. I'll try to be nice
Hmm.
and not very controversial, but let's see.
Okay.
Show us the last text you receive in your girl group. Shouldn't be, as I said, I don't want to be controversial.
No.
Never
This
know.
so you have to show. Guys, there's nothing more brutal than a 3-person girl group chat because there are receipts and receipts of everyone just going off on people.
Yeah, like the girls group can be damn stressful and judgmental. And like we go from a star kid to a nobody. But it is what it is.
When you say nobody, you mean situationships. It's her way of not acknowledging situations.
Yeah, because situationship is equal to nothing with nobody. So
Right.
anyway, don't you think? So
Yeah.
I mean,
But at the end of the day, I think it's the most beautiful place to be in. There's nothing more brutal and heartwarming than a 3-person girl group chat.
100%, 100%.
Chalo, take out the text.
I'm sure that we will be definitely discussing, yes, and we were discussing Sunita, that is like Govinda's wife, that how she's everywhere and the way she loves. So we were just mocking her and our laughter.
But I actually adore her because I adore people who have a personality. I genuinely think that she has something unique about her. But she's also like completely all over my Instagram feed, so I get the obsession.
Exactly. So
Her and Urvashi Rautela.
yes.
This is too mild, yeah. I thought there'll be something spicy.
No,
Like, what
there-
is this?
if it was a screenshot, definitely. But you know, right? Somebody, I mean, few of my girls are already in a relationship or they are with somebody.
I
So
get it.
only I'm the one who are like,
Who's single?
you single and then multiple things. So,
But good, na. Time for you to do something spicy and then tell me.
sure, done.
At least then
Wait
you
for
will
it.
text me.
Exactly.
Okay, I'm going in. Huh?
Yeah.
Next one. If your girl gang had a movie name, what would it be? Okay, we've been told this before.
Okay.
It would be Mean Girls. Iconic.
Not
movie.
surprised. Not surprised.
I would like to disagree strongly, but
Why
I
so?
get it. See, we went for a wedding,
Hmm.
and at the end of the 3-day, 4-day affair, someone just came up and was like, you guys huddle in a corner like the Mean Girls. Itne achhe kapde pehne hue, you all are so well dressed, and you all are huddling, and with such straight faces you all are doing, and suddenly you all will start laughing. It really looks like you all are bitching about someone. I'm
But
like, no, I mean, we are, but
of course.
but that's the whole thing. Like, we're not really mean girls. We're like all sweetos if you meet us in real life.
That's
but
what we would like to believe, right, Meher?
which mean girl? I'm ignoring you.
You
I'm
tell me,
ignoring
which is the mean girl that you associate with the most?
I think as much as I should not say so, I think I relate to Regina.
Okay.
And I'll say why. I think Regina she just knew what she wanted. She was very structured in her way of thinking. She was a bit mean at times, but I think she would come around eventually.
It's very beautiful to
This is a very controversial answer, by the way.
exactly, but you've made her such a nice girl. It sounds like a nice girl and not a
teenager.
girl.
We have, I think, every girl at some point in her life has been mean or bitchy without no reason, like without any reason to.
But nature was a baddie back then, now also. So, theek hai.
Yeah, so and like right now people remember Regina. Rachel nahi, Regina. So.
See, I mean, I think I cannot, associate.
Wait, who was the one who, one second. Who was the one who could tell the weather with her? Gretchen or Karen? Karen. Oh my God.
Are you trying to hint at something?
No. I think what we need to do is rewatch that movie.
Yeah, I think sounds like a fun plan.
But good question.
Yeah.
Mean Girls se yaad aaya. You remember that scene that actually was quite traumatizing now that I look at it now? जब mirror के सामने जाते हैं and they're like, oh my God, my pores look huge. That one. And then she's like, oh, my waist looks too fat. This, that. It was very funny. But usse yaad aaya, my pores are looking quite gunky right now. Do you want to do like a mask?
Why not?
Like a mask and chill. I feel like pampering is a chore to me. Like if I have to spend like 2 hours at a salon getting like things done, I don't like it. I'm very impatient that way.
And I'm opposite. So might as well pamper me today.
Yeah, I need a 10-minute glow up. Cool.
Chalo. In 100%.
Chalo, let's do it.
Yes.
ठीक है. So let's do some buck.
चल करते हैं.
Let's do. Cheers. This smells kadak. It's like it just, you know how whitener smells?
आइसक्रीम की याद आ गई यार. आज खाए रात को आइसक्रीम.
चलो.
It's been a while.
Okay, tell me, at what age did you get into skincare? Like, when did you properly start doing skincare?
Will you believe me if I give you the actual answer?
Bolo?
So considering, and this is not a self-proclaimed thing, I have a good skin. So people think that, oh, she might have started her skincare early in the days and all that. But actually, I started my skincare in late 20s, about say 29-ish. Yeah, considering I'm 30 plus now. And now that I know how important skincare is and skincare should be used. So it was like, pani piyo or barf lagao. So this was my only 2 things that I used to tell people because I used to follow it. Not that I was faffing. I'm a strong believer and user of water and applying ice. But having said that, as you grow old or irrespective, because considering we live in such a time where it's like high pollution, we don't eat very healthy food and all that. It's very important to at least apply good skincare and take great care of your skin.
I feel like even if you're not a skincare person, everybody needs sunscreen. So you eventually end up becoming a skincare person.
Yeah.
Because the most basic thing is sun protection
100%.
and mood
100%.
hona.
Yes, yes.
And if you have like desert dry skin like mine, then you can't live without moisturizer. So, wo to hai. But that's actually quite shocking. I feel like the only other person apart from you who has started skincare so late in life is my mother.
Yeah. But auntie also has great skin. So
Yeah, mother. I feel like as much as people say skin is very genetic, but also that's why you have skincare, because you can get to that
yeah.
desired outcome if taken care of enough.
But I think skincare is something people shouldn't shy away.
Hmm.
Irrespective you are a girl or a boy, skincare is very, very important. Like, very, very important, and people should swear by it. Acha, ek baat bata. Considering you have such a great skin, what's your skincare secret, or at what age did you started your skin?
I got into it after joining Foxtail. And I have to thank my work besties and my girlfriends here at work who really got me there, because they were like, oh my god, you work for a skincare brand, like you have to get into it. And I was such chotu, I was so young. I was like barely 20.
Now also my hair. Cutie.
I am. But I mean, I was even younger then, right? You know what I mean? So then, उस हिसाब से, like, I am so glad that they introduced, because एक तो मेरे को मेरा skin type ही नहीं मालूम था. Imagine. So, like, one of them even went to the dermat with me, you know.
What are you saying?
Yeah, because
imagine you not knowing your skin type.
I didn't know. I identified my skin type wrong. I thought my skin type was oily combination is extremely dry and dehydrated skin. So clearly, yeah. But which is why I used to always break out and have like the worst breakouts. Isha, I can't even tell you.
I can't imagine you having a breakout. Like, if I try to think you back then,
but
it's hard to believe.
I used to have the worst kind of breakouts, and it used to be because I was using the wrong products. Products that were not good for my skin. But anyway, the gist of the story is, guys, that it's always your female friends that show you the right path in life.
Always.
Mine put you onto very good skincare, because of which I'm getting all these compliments today. So shout out to them. You know who you are.
That's so important in life, like every stage of your life, be it your career, your personal life, your love life. How can we miss love life, right?
Discuss things with.
Exactly. You know, I think girls really bond on so many topics, like from science to math to life to children to boyfriend to husband to family, finances, fashion. Like the list just goes on and on.
Yeah.
Like it's like a never-ending list, you know. And
you know, in Sex and the City, Samantha says that why can't we be each other's soulmate? I truly feel that, because I feel like you are more likely to find your soulmate in your girl best friend
100
than to find a man to fulfill your emotional needs and whatnot.
To be honest, I only need man to fulfill one need. Rest, my girlfriends are there.
Isha,
Controversial.
you know, I try to keep this girl PG-13, but she's clearly not. Okay, लगा नहीं तेरा अब तक.
नहीं यार.
If this was a race, I'd win.
Yeah.
Clearly.
But I'm actually enjoying this process of applying.
Yeah, right? It feels quite nice and cooling
on your skin. On your face. I feel that I'm applying something so great, but yeah. So hence taking my sweet time to apply.
This is always Isha and I, if you have to go out and अगर किधर ready होना होता है, I'm this friend with other people who is always late. But Isha is even later than me, so imagine.
Not sorry about this.
When we had gone once, हमको लगा lunch break में जाके eyebrows कराते हैं. Okay, this is the one thing that we wanted to do. And you remember this? You and Disha took me to the salon कि चलो eyebrows कराओ. And मेरा eyebrow कट गया.
तो कितनी सुंदर लग रही थी, पर फिर से करें? It was one of the look, yaar. Come on.
She is so straight faced. You know what? Then Disha did. What? Drew my eyebrow on.
Meher, why don't we recreate this?
Sure. तेरे पे करते हैं.
नहीं, you always. I think you look beautiful in that cut. What's it?
Sure. So my eyebrows became extremely thin, and apparently, according to her, it's very chic. She was trying to not make me cry.
Of course,
and,
you're a good friend, right?
A friend Disha just drew on the eyebrows for me. But that's female friendships, guys. Like
Exactly.
उसने कहाँ से तो अपना eyebrow pencil निकाला, Blinkit करवाया, and
और मैं हंसी भी नहीं, right? I didn't wanted you to feel sad about
you
what happened.
care.
No, no. Meher.
Shameless. You don't even remember this.
Yeah, because I remember good things in life, Meher, and not one that my
क्या याद है?
that I
चलो
met
बताओ.
and stuff.
चलो बताओ.
Eyebrow story से एक मुझे याद आया.
हाँ.
So considering I'm from girls' school, convent school, okay, so you know how girls' school are, right? Your teachers are very protective about you, and it's just girls' school. And in general, back in the days,
हाँ.
like kids and I mean parents and teachers were pretty much protective about girls.
Yeah, I remember.
So in 8th grade, there was this girl, okay, now friend, back then friend. She was a little very ahead of the time, I would say. She was Gen Z तब से, okay, like back in the days. तो वो करा के आई अपने eyebrow, okay, and she was like the talk of the town that entire day because of course, like
How old was she?
we were 13, we were in 8th standard.
That's
okay?
it. You know, I got my brows done, I think, when I was in 11th standard.
I got it done when I was in second year, Meher. वो भी मेरी mom के पैर पड़ के, please mom, अभी तो I'm in college, let me do. So this friend of mine, okay, she got eyebrow at 8th, and all the girls were like, why is she looking so different? And we were like all taken aback because it's first time, right? Somebody's getting that. Guess बेचारी के साथ क्या हुआ रहेगा? Just like wild guess. Just guess.
Cut क्या होगा eyebrow? I mean, what else will I think?
No, everyone is not like you, ना कि हमने eyebrow काट क्या है? That's not the thing.
Shameless.
That poor girl was made to stand out of the class for one entire period by one of her teacher.
What are you saying?
Yes, she was punished for the fact that she's done her eyebrow done. Can you imagine? Yeah, so now do you feel that your incident is much better than my friends?
Yeah, because mine grew back, and that was pretty humiliating, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah. फिर क्या हुआ?
फिर क्या होना था? I mean, but the girls were so supportive because, you know, of course, like she did what...
So girls from your class?
Yeah, from my class, of course, my class, because we had 2 division, but everyone was in support of that girl, and we were pretty angry about the fact that just because somebody's done her eyebrow done, she was made to stand out of the class.
Yeah, wow, I'm so proud.
And that too
of
from
all
a
you
female
girls.
teacher, you see, but the girls were very supportive about it, and we were there for her. She was crying the whole of 30 minutes when she was standing out, but as friends, you see, female friends, right?
But that's so nice. That's what I love about, like, you know, just having, like, girls have your back.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, because at the end of the day, like, I'm sure half the girls in that class weren't her friends.
Yes,
but they
of course.
still stood up for her.
Yes, and we were 13-year-old, like,
Yeah, to have-
still to
yeah.
have your somebody's back just because in their bad day. Girls were there.
The girls showed up.
Yeah, yeah.
It was
Girls
what
are the
we-
best. Yeah.
Yeah, girls are the best. Girlfriends are the best.
Yes, girlfriends.
Acha, I have a very bad joke. सुनेगी क्या?
Of-
I think
Can I say no to you? I don't have an option, right?
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah,
say no.
yeah.
Okay, I feel like we look like Thanos. You
I'm
know,
good
like
with that. Pera to finger.
वही है ना?
अच्छा.
ये, हाँ, ये.
ठीक है.
Should we
Chal, done.
chat? 1,
1, 2,
2,
3.
You know, my mom always says this one thing. She says that if you want to know how far a person will go in life, you should look at the friends around them. Because most probably you derive your source of inspiration from your friends. So that's why I feel like, you know, having very strong female role models in your life can actually help you shape up a big chunk of your life. Like whether it's your mom, whether it's like, you know, I consider my mom as a friend, so I'm going to add her in there. I'm not going to forget the most important one. But I feel like whether it's you, whether it's like having other older sister come best friends who have become role models, I think it's super important. And that's one of the things about female friendships that I absolutely love. Okay, you can see people around you and it becomes more of a monkey see, monkey do kind of thing. Okay, she's doing so well. It's going to motivate me to do much better. And then, you know, one day we're all going to sit together, successful, chilling in our mansions.
Wow. Wow. But that's so, you know, well put together.
Yeah.
Also see, you know, like from women to women, it's very important to see somebody that we aspire to be, or you know, like who really inspires us in such a way, because we know being women is not easy. Not just because we are one. I'm saying that it is not easy to play multiple characters in life and you know, like have your A game in everything, right? You can't be 10 on 10 in everything. Yet we are expected to be like a certain way outside and inside of her house and ace the game in every department of her life. And I think women does it beautifully without any stuck up, without any baggage. And they just believe in moving like just moving on with life. And
Yeah.
that's what having these strong women in your life in any capacity, be it your friend, your mom, your sister, it's very important, having that positive and important impact of women in your life is very important.
I 100% agree with you.
Yana, Still okay, now we've spoken very intense stuff.
Yeah.
Let me ask you a fun question. I know the answer, but still I'll ask you. Is it okay to be friends with somebody who doesn't reply to your text or call back and still you'll have them in your life?
She's an example of it. I think it is okay. I don't believe in like mixed signals. If something's mixed, it is a no.
Yeah.
But
Only
I feel
good
like
mixed thing is bhel. We can only have like a bhel puri, which is a good mixture, nothing else.
yeah. I'm talking about something serious
Sorry,
here. Let me
sorry.
be serious.
Sorry.
What I'm trying to say is, where was a good one?
Yeah.
But I feel like the only thing that one should focus on is that is this friendship adding value in the larger scheme of things, right? And I feel like it is. Like, for example, you, right? Like, I was making fun of it, but Isha has her own life, I get it. And Isha has a personality trait. वो नहीं reply करेगी, वो देख लेगी, वो नहीं reply करेगी till it's burning urgent. But whenever I have texted her with like a burning problem, like Isha SOS or something like that, you have responded in 0.5 seconds. So I know कि buck के time पे she'll be like whatever. But when she sees me in person, she'll completely different. So I know that it's just a personality to like, only reply to very, very urgent things. But you are someone who's always there. So I get it. I think it's about understanding the person, and it's more so understanding the equation. But I think it's okay to have a friend who doesn't respond and still be friends with them.
So I'm a keeper, right?
Semi. I'm gonna say beach ka. But yeah, you are. Yeah.
No.
I have a question
Yeah.
for you, as always.
Yeah.
So there's this big debate on the internet,
Which
which is that guy friendships are more easygoing than girl friendships. I have an opinion, but I want to know yours.
Good one. Considering I'm also very opinionated, I also do have very strong opinion. Maybe wouldn't go well with a lot of men, but here is it. Okay, I feel men and women are two different species, right? And the way they operate, the way they think, physically, mentally, it's very different. So I feel men friendship is more objective as opposed to a female friendship. Not that I'm saying it's not strong or it's not very tight, but still, I think females will be there with you. Now, if, for example, you and me, if you know that I'm dating a horrible dude, which I have, that's been my history, like, that's my pattern, okay? And right? The guy is not good
I love
for me.
the self-awareness.
Yes, which I am, okay? And still I'm coming every day, I'm ranting about our fights, or maybe I'm just gushing about how he's the one. And in your head, okay? Very subtly. Yeah, but you will support, right?
Yeah.
You will support and then, like, you will tell me, hey, listen, this, but still you will support my craziness or my madness. And you'll be there with me. Whereas men will shut down their bestie, okay? And they'll be like, dash mat ban, kya hai ye sab, So,
I get
getting my point, right? So, it's very objective with regards to their approach as friendship. Whereas female, if they know also this girl is stupid, this is silliest decision she's ever
They'll
going to
still
make.
entertain you.
Yeah, I mean, unless we're not going to hurt anybody, the girlfriends will always support any decision.
I 100% agree with you.
Yeah.
So I think it depends, but also, like female friendships are a lot more intimate in that sense.
There's a lot of substance in that, right? And there are, considering we ourselves are such emotional beauties, like the friendships also, has a lot of emotions that is with them.
I think we're going to go on and on about this.
100%.
And tour mein to chill karte hi rehta hai.
Yeah.
But Ice Cream and Mean Girls.
Sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to see you guys in the next one. We're going to go finish our movie.